to Rex. A weirdness Rex. Now, some jumper. For Alice Medina. Here's the game called Pick and No Play here. Rex Gaba. You're out. Switch it over to the outside. For three. Yes, sir. Mrs. Viva goes to JD. Becoming his himself. Rex for three. Come on! All the way he goes. He will fly to his brother. Stop and pop J. There's a good back by Rex Suzaral. Rex for three. There! It's looking now. Post goal in there. Rex! Is there, has gas all in there. He strikes now. All the way down the lane. He's up against Kunsalan. Using up the screen, dodges the thing. Hey! Rex Gaba! Three! For Raffles. Off to Rex. Gaba fades away.